Here's a straightforward approach to make money with Instagram theme pages. First of all, you need to focus on growing your audience. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and use relevant hashtags. And also monetize your account through the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing promotes products and you will earn a commission on sales. You can also go for a sponsored post. You can get paid by the brands to showcase their products, sell products, services, and offer digital items like ebooks or any courses or physical products. You can utilize the Instagram features and use the badge and affiliate links to earn directly. You can also collaborate with other people on Instagram. Partner with other pages for mutual promotion, and you can run advertisements. Use the Instagram's ads to promote your products or services, and you can use Instagram's insights to analyze and improve your content, helping to grow your audience. So following the simple steps can help you turn your Instagram page into a profitable business. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.